Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the pixel app, select the import button. The gallery, select the picture. Adjust the picture, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the picture. Then select the text, edit by right time. Select the select the size, adjust the size. Copy the letter, select the copy option, change the color. Select the color option, adjust the color. Select the font option, adjust the font. Save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation. Select the texture option, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, change the background, select the erase color, enable button down, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.